Today's topic is drug discovery, drug development, clinical trial, preclinical trials, COMs, ICS guidelines.
The first of all, drug discovery. The drug discovery first point, target identification, target validation, lead identification, lead optimization. First of all, target identification. The firstly we have to identify the disease or problem which way have find out the drug. It can be the any organ, gene, tissue, protein, etc. Some subreceptors involved on this. GPCR, nuclear receptor, ion channel, and enzyme, etc. Second is target validation. The target validation. Now, in this is a step the choose the target, is, analyze and the validate that above the information is correct or not. Check. Third is the lead identification. The lead identification means the choose the compounds, the 5,000 to 10,000. The this In this step is the identification the drug that is actually used in cure that disease and lead compounds. It can be the synthesized the laboratory. The fourth point for their fourth point is lead optimization. Lead optimization. The after successfully choose lead compounds, now the optimize is the short list, optimize, modify, uh, structure activity relationship, function group charge. Then fourth is lead compound. Uh, Lead compound, it is the chemical compound that is the pharmaceutical or biological activity like to be the therapeutical useful. Then drug development. The drug development preclinical study and clinical study. The preclinical study is the animal study. This study is the animal study. This is in vivo and in vitro studies. The pharmacodynamic studies in the vivo in animals, in vivo in vitro preparation. The observation, distribution, elimination studies is the pharmacokinetics. The acute, subacute, the chronic toxicity studies, toxicity profile. Then next is clinical study. The clinical study is a human study. There are the four. Then next is the clinical study. The clinical study is there are the five phases. The phase 0, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4. The first one, phase 0. Phase 0 phase 0 is microdosing. The phase 0 study of the new drug in the microdose to the derive the pharmacokinetic information in the human before the undertaking the phase is studied in is called as phase 0. Then next is phase 1. The first stage of the testing the human subject, designed to designed to assess the safety, tolerability, pharmacokinetic and thermodynamic of drug. There are 20 20 to 25 health volunteers are used. This phase duration is the 6 to 12 months. This phase is the trial is the determine the maximum tolerant doses of this new treatment. The kinds of phases, the SAD, the single ascending dose studies, MAD, the multiple ascending dose studies. The next is the phase second. Phase second, it is the therapeutic exploratory trial consists of the 20 to 300 subjects to confirm the effectiveness in the monitoring side effects and further evaluating safety. It is the first is the patient is the who have the disease that our drug is expected to treat. This phase is the duration is the 6 months to several years. Then the next phase is the phase 3. It is a therapeutical confirmatory trial. Target population several hundreds to 3,000 patients are used. This phase is the duration is the up to 5 years. To establish the efficacy of the drug against the existing the therapeutic in a large number of patients, the method of uses, and the collect the safety data, etc. Then next is phase 4. The post-marketing surveillance. Know the fix the duration, patient population, help to the detect rate, ADRs, drug in the action, and also to explore the new uses of the drugs. Then next is the introduction history of pharmacovigilance. The first of an introduction, the pharmacovigilance. WHO definition is 2002. The science and activities relating to the detection, assessment, understanding prevention of adverse effect of any other drug related problems. Then history of pharmacovigilance, uh, the thalidomide disaster. In this is the late in the 1950s and in the early in the 1960s, the use of the thalidomide in the 46 countries by the human who were pregnant or who subsequently become the pregnant, the result in the biggest man in the medical disaster ever, the resulting in the more than 10,000 the children born within the range of the several defortunates such as the Focome, as well as a thousand of individual case safety report process. Individual case individual case safety report process. The reception of the case is the validation and the duplicate check, login of the case trials, data entry, quality the review, medical review, case closure, and generate the report for submission. The next, the ICS reporting software are used. The USA, United States of America, they are used the pharma ready softwares. Then UK are using the vigilance software. India is Sugam, software, and the vaccine pharmacology. Then next is the vaccine pharmacology. The vaccine pharmacology, the science and activity relating to the detection, assessment, understanding, and communication of adverse event. The following the immunization and other the vaccine or immunization related issues, and the prevention of the un, untoward the effect of the vaccine of immunization. The next adverse drug reaction. Adverse drug reaction depend at the ADRs are the undesirable the unwanted effect of the any drug that is the occur when used at the usual the clinical condition. Then next is uh, even even no ADR has been observed. First is the drug contaminated in pregnancy, drug abuse, misuse, and overdose. And the next is the adverse drug event. The any untoward is the medicinal is the occurrence that may be the present in the during the treatment with the pharmaceutical product, but which does not is the necessary have a causal is the relationship within the treatment. Then is the regulatory authority. A body, the regulatory authorities, a body is a government entity that is responsible for the making the regulation, providing the guidelines, and conducting the compliance of the various healthcare industries. The first of all India, CDSCO, New Delhi. Second in UK is MHRA. MHRA is the Medicinal Healthcare Regulatory Agency. It is located in London. Third is the USA, USFDA, United States Food and Drug Administration. Fourth is the Australia, TGA, Therapeutical Good Administration. Fifth is the European, EMA. The next is the SWIMS, Council for International Organization of Medical Science. The history of the SWIMS. The 1949 in the council the formally the constituted in the brochure by the WHO and UN UNESCO. 1952 the present the name the SWIMS adopted. 1959 the Vienna the meeting on in the control the clinical trials. 1977 is the launch of the ethics of the research involving the humans. 1982 the adoption by the UN of SWIMS the medical ethics for sponsor. 1993 is the start of Siemens focus on PV reporting ADR reactions. 2016, 2016 the new the Siemens the ethics in the guideline health retail research involving humans. Then in the ICH in the International Council of Harmonization. The six is the parties are in the founder the member of ICH, which is the represented the regulatory bodies UU, EU, UFPI, European Federation of Pharmaceutical Industry, MHLW, JPMA is Japan Pharmaceutical Manufacturing Association, FDA, Pharmaceutical Research and Manufacture of America, GUP, Good Pharmacovigilance Modules. In this, the quality is the standard for the monitoring the safety of the medicine, and if it is necessary, the talking the action of reduce the risks and increase the benefit of medicines. Then the working groups of SIOMs. The first working group is the working group of SIOMs. The first international reporting of adverse drug reaction. Second working group is international reporting of the periodic drug safety update in the summaries. Third is the guidelines for the preparing core clinical safety information on the drug. Fourth is the benefit risk balance marketed drug. Fifth is current is the challenges in pharmacovigilance. Sixth is the management of the safety information from the clinical trial. Seven is development of the safety update reports. Eight is the pharmaceutical aspect of the signal detection in pharmacovigilance. Nine is the uh, practical practical is the approaches to risk is the minimization of medical product. 10 is the evidence of the synthesis and meta analysis of drug safety. Then next is the US FDA laws. The US FDA, the FDA and US FDA has its the headquarter located in Maryland. Laws, the Federal Food and Drug the Cosmetic Act, the 1938. This law was the found the following elixir is the sulfonine tragedy, which is the killed or more than 100 people. They the attended of this the law is the authorized by the FDA. Demanded evidence of the safety for the new drugs. Prior to the granting the marketed authorization, issue the standard of hot food, control the factory inspection, then regulation of US FDA. The FDA is the authorized to the create new the regulation. FDA first the publish in the proposed in the federal registry for uh, public in the public consultancy consultation in the subsequently to the public in the consultation in the international food drug administration or review the final regulation is then the published in the code of the federal regulation. The code of federal regulation, it is the codification of the rules and the regulation is the published in all the federal registry by the federal government of the United States of America. The CFR is the reviewed the CFR is the divided into the 15 title. Each title is the consider the consider the chapter sub-chapter parts of the section. Each title is the reviews the once every the uh, calendar of year. Title 21 is the review on the April. The Title 20 is the government is the rules of the food drug administration. It is divided into the three chapters. The FDA is the based upon the Federal Food Drug and Cosmetic Act. The drug is the informant is the agency office of the National Drug Control Policies. Then next is the good pharmacology practices. Since July 2012, the new pharmacovigilance registration become applicable in the AU to support this in the implementation of the set if the guideline and the collect has the good pharmacovigilance practices. Thank you.